Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to beautiful British Columbia, the west coast of Canada. We've got some nice weather going on, and look at that Kentucky bluegrass, beautiful stripes. Today, because on my 4 days off, of course I'm quarantined to the house, so I did my edges. I'm running out of things to do. Anyway, the Standard Range Plus here had a new update, and it's 2028. Well, let's see what we got here. Stand by. So let's see what we've got. It is 2012.5, and let's see what the release notes have to say. Well, it's the Dashcam Viewer. Now, this allows you to watch your Dashcam footage inside the car. So if you come back from your doing whatever you were doing, and it says here there's been alerts, you can actually use the Dashcam Viewer to find out what's going on. And the last thing is the out of order supercharger stalls. So that's going to be supercharger stations now identify the number of out of order stalls. To view the current availability, tap the supercharger station map pin. This release contains minor improvements and bug fixes. I'm going to call bullshit on that, because here we have this heated seats. The front driver's side seat is on 3 bacon chunks, and I don't feel a thing. There's absolutely nothing. It's not warm at all. And the other thing, if you take a look up front there, I'm going to turn on the indicators. So there's the left indicator. You can see the reflection on the bin, yet nothing here, and you can't hear that audible sound of the own Tesla sound. And again, here's the right indicator. Nothing here. And what happens if I turn on the 4-ways? You can see that the 4-ways are on, but there's nothing there. So there is a glitch in the system. My heated seats aren't working. The indicator notification isn't. And what I noticed is that the Bluetooth, well, my phone is here, and right there, my iPhone, I think it's supposed to automatically connect when you get to the car, but it's not. So I'm going to connect. Sync messages. Yeah, it seems good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a hard reboot by pressing in the 2 thumb wheels, and let's give that a try. Well, there you go. We've done a reset. Let's see what happens. Oh, Jesus, look how dirty that screen is. I look like unplugged EV. Oh, jeez. All right. I'm just going to let it boot up. So let's see. There it goes. The indicator is now working. Right indicator. And I think my butt's beginning to get a little warmer. Let's give it a little more. It might just be because I have a hot ass. And how about Bluetooth connection? See, this doesn't make any sense. It's supposed to automatically connect to your phone as soon as it's in range. Let's see what my phone has to say. So I tap on the Tesla Model 3. I think it needs to be done here. Connect. Here now it says connected, and there it's connected, and definitely the heated seats are definitely on. So let's leave that. That's done. No internet connection. Oh, now it does. All right, well, there you go. To see the dash cam, you press on the dash cam icon up here and you hit launch viewer. So this is at work. This is at April 9th. That's 2 days ago. It's now the 11th of April. And the menu up here shows all Sentry or dash cam. I mean, we've driven this car in the last 2 days, yet there is no dash cam footage saved to the hard drive, and I don't know why that is. Doesn't make any sense. Oh well. When was this? February 17th. Well, that's dash cam was that long ago. So here it has the front, the rear, the right side, and the left side. And look at that, whoever was driving was a left lane hugger. Bastard. If you were to tap the right side, it would now show just the right side, and the right box here would be sort of grayed out. Whichever one you tap becomes the main one. So that's 10 minutes worth. And the great thing is you get to fast forward through all of it. Let's see what. I don't think it was me driving. There you go. Anyway, that is it for the update on it. I hope you guys are surviving out there, and you take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Whoa, hold on there for a second, boys and girls. I just pulled the USB out from the top secret JADA compartment down there, the JADA hub, and I took it inside and I opened up the USB and everything was just full. It was jam-packed. I was under the impression that it self-deleted oldest the needed. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, so I just did that, and then I just popped out to grab some Thai food. I think it's very important that these days that you go out and support local small business. So there's a nice little Thai restaurant here in town that I order from, let's see, once every 2 weeks, maybe once a week, it depends. All right, so let's see if that little jaunt was recorded. So I'm going to go up to the dash cam, press it once, go to launch viewer. Come on, punk ass. There you go. No dash cam footage. And I know it was on because I saw that the red light was on there. For some reason, it is not recording to the disk. Anyway, well, let's try to figure out what's going on. But that'll be for a different video for sure. So like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment. If you know why my dash cam is not recording to my USB, it's all set up right. Tesla cam and all the files of recent, saved, and Sentry are all in there. And yeah, maybe it's this latest update that's screwing everything up. But if you know, please let me know, and I will talk to you soon.